Sri Ramakrishna Sharda Ashram, also called Vivekananda Central School of Hazaribagh. On the occasion of Swami Vivekanand Jayanti, there happened a huge celebration at a school. Sumit Ranjan, who is the director of home appliances brand Kosarian Innovations, was present here with his father, Mr. Raj Kishore Pandey. Sumit is a former student of this school who dropped out after 12th to pursue entrepreneurship. 4 years after his journey, he was invited by the school authority to receive blessings from his old teachers, his principal Mosmi Maiti, and school director Swami Twapanandaji. It was an awe to listen to Sumit Ranjan sharing his 4 years of entrepreneurial journey. Excellent teachers, VCS Hazaribagh. Sumit shared how the school teachers were helpful in bringing out the scientist within him. Firstly, he mentions his old teacher Usha ma'am, whose science classes he used to attend carefully, and that she helped him give his curiosity a new spark through her lectures. Sumit, who later gets recognized for his attempt of making a car run on water, the spark of working on water engine origins into a science class of 8th standard lecture by Subrata sir. He was in discussion with the teacher about possible fuel sources for the future that the teacher hints him for the possibility of using urine as fuel. The same idea further turned to an attempt of making a water engine. Although the experiment did not yield its ultimate result, yet proved to be an excellent enhancement in engineering and presentation skills. The same experiment made him design a Spirojet engine, a new kind of high voltage switch, a hydrogen combustion chamber, innovative engine cooling methods, and back then the work got featured by Times, Daily Pioneer, The Telegraph, and many national and international media. Library and research. The theory of constant light speed. Research paper by Sumit that he started working on in class 7th that he accomplishes while in class 11th. The spark could never get ignited without a research level library. Moreover, he makes his acknowledgements towards the school library. Consequently, how the availability of research level books to school students and mentorship helped him finish his first research. His research proves why the speed of light is always constant. Consequently, the research paper gets published in the International Journal of Science and Technology in Volume 3, Issue 8 of August 2015 edition. Innovation encouragement. He further mentions that the school also helped him sharpen his experimental skills by encouraging his endeavor through participation in various state level exhibitions and science related co curricular activities. Above all, the moment was of sheer nostalgia for Sumit and his school teachers. The event finally came to an end with the warm blessings of Swami Tapananji, blessings by Samapti Paul sir, Soma Nag ma'am, Chandan sir, and warm blessings of all other teachers present there.